Hi again everyone, this is me, Sir Alan. And welcome back to my channel. So kung bago ka lang guys dito sa channel ko, huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below. And huwag na rin po kalimutan yung notification bell para po sa updates. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa laws of exponent. Siguro sa karamihan sa atin basic lang ito, no? Pero alam nyo ba guys na kahit basic to, gamit na gamit ito hanggang sa college. Alam naman natin sa math problems, magagamit at magagamit yung mga basic na laws, kagaya ng laws of exponent. Okay, so huwag na natin patatagalin pa. Let's go over with our first law. First law is the base law. So an exponent outside the parentheses applies to all parts of a product or quotient inside the parentheses. So in symbol guys, no? So sa base law, so the product of xy raised to n, so kung napapansin natin, yung exponent natin is nasa labas ng parentheses. So mangyayari dyan is ma-apply natin siya inside dun sa parentheses nung dalawang pinag-multiply. So therefore, x raised to n and y raised to n. Example guys, so this is a multiplied to b raised to 2. So therefore this will be a raised to 2 and b raised to 2. So naya-apply na natin yung exponent dun sa loob isa-isa. So i-distribute natin siya isa-isa. Okay? I hope naintindihan. Another example. So if this is 2 multiplied to 3 raised to 2. So mangyayari dito guys is i-distribute natin yung exponent isa-isa dun papaloob. So therefore mangyayari dyan. So this is 2 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 2. Okay? So, na-distribute na natin yung exponent papaloob. Then, simplify lang natin yung expression natin. So, 2 raised to 2 is 4. Multiplied to 3 raised to 2 is 9. 2 raised to 2 is 4, or 2 square is 4. And 3 raised to 2 is 9. And multiply. So, therefore, our answer is 4 multiplied to 9 is 36. So, ganun yung sagot natin guys. For example, sa base law. So, another example. So, if this is a over b raised to 3. So, mangyayari dito guys is distribute din natin yung exponent isa-isa. So, mangyayari, our answer will be a raised to 3 divided by b raised to 3. Okay? So, i-distribute lang natin yung exponent papaloob. Either kapag nag-multiply tayo or kapag nag-divide tayo. So, that is now the second law. The multiplication law. So, to multiply an expression with like bases, keep the base and add the exponents. So, gagawin daw natin guys, sa multiplication law, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng same base or kapareho ng base, like this one is the x is our base, just simply add the exponent. I-add lang daw natin yung exponent, meron siya. So therefore, x raised to m plus n. Pinag-add lang natin yung dalawang exponents niya. Okay? So to have our concrete example, meron tayo dito, 2 raised to 2 multiplied to 2 raised to 3. So, mangyayari dito guys is 2 raised to 2 plus 3. So, pinag-add lang natin yung exponents niya. So, mangyayari dito is 2 raised to 5. Okay? Okay, very good. So, since our expression is a number, so number yung sagot natin, so, isi-simplify lang natin siya. para makuha natin yung exact na sagot. So 2 raised to 5 is like saying na magmumultiply tayo ng 2 ng 5 beses. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So sagot natin dito guys is 32. Okay? So I hope nasundan. So another example, so x raised to 3 multiplied to x raised to 6. So para sila ng base, so they have like bases. So therefore, we just have to keep the base. So kopyahin lang natin yung base natin and simply add their exponent. So this is 3 plus 6. So sagot natin dito guys is simply x raised to 9. I hope nasundan. Our last example. So 3 raised to 2 multiplied to 3 raised to 2. So just keep the base. So therefore, keep the base. Our base is 3. Tapos pag-add lang natin yung exponent niya. So this is 2 plus 2. So sagot natin is 3 raised to 4. So since number ulit guys, being raised to a power, simplify lang natin. So multiply natin yung 3 ng 4 na beses. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And 27 times 3 is 81. So our final answer is 81. And now the third law, the division law. So to divide expression with same bases, keep the base and subtract their exponent. So kapag nag-divide tayo guys na expression na kaparehas yung bases nila, yung gagawin natin sa exponent is to subtract. So i-minus lang natin yung kanilang exponent. So x raised to m over or divide by x raised to n. So they have the same base. So gagawin lang natin is to subtract the exponent. So therefore, x raised to m minus n. Isusubtract lang natin yung exponent nung nasa baba. Okay? So example, x raised to 6 divided by x raised to 2. So mangyayari dyan guys is, so keep the base and subtract their exponent. Yung 6 minus 2. Subtract lang natin yung exponent nung nasa baba. So mangyayari dito guys is, to simplify, so our answer is x raised to 6 minus 2 is 4. So there you have it guys, our answer for the first example. Another example, 2 raised to 5 over 2 raised to 3. So just keep the base, kopyahin lang natin yung base natin which is 2 and subtract their exponent. Okay, so 5 minus 3. I hope nasundan. Then, this is 2 raised to 5 minus 3 is 2. Then, simplify our answer. 2 squared is 2 times 2. So, therefore, this is 4. Okay, so madali lang siya. And lastly, y raised to 3 or y cubed divided by 1. So kapag nakita kayo guys ng variable, automatic yan, meron siyang 1 na kasama. Okay? So therefore, mangyayari dito, keep the base which is y and subtract your exponent. So 3 minus 1. Okay? So our final answer will be y raised to 2. And here is our last law. So the law of power property. The power property law. So to apply an exponent to a power expression, just multiply the exponent. So ibig sabihin nito guys, kapag nag-apply ka ng exponent, dun sa exponent na rin or exponent na mismo ng isang expression or power na siya, tapos in-erase mo pa siya sa ibang power, so gagawin mo dyan is we have to multiply. So pag ta-times lang natin yung exponent. Example, a to the power of 3 quantity squared. So your A is being raised to 3 and being raised to 2. So gagawin natin is to keep the base. So kukopyahin lang natin yung base. At pag multiply lang natin yung exponent. So this is 3 multiplied to 2. Ita times natin. So therefore our answer here is A raised to your 3 times 2 6. Okay? So this is our answer. Madali lang siya guys, no? Kapag yung exponent ni-raise mo pa sa another exponent or power, just simply multiply your exponent. Another example. So 2 raised to 2 and being squared again. So this will become 2 raised to 2 times 2. Okay, so just keep the exponent 2 and multiply your exponent. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? So therefore, we can simplify now our answer. So masisimplify na natin yung sagot. So 2 raised to 4 is like multiplying 2 apat na beses. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So our answer here is 16. Okay, I hope na nasundan. And lastly, your x raised to 5 quantity 3. So your x raised to 5 quantity 3, so therefore this is x raised to 5 multiplied to 3. So gagawin lang natin, just multiply their exponents. So this will become x raised to 15. Okay? So that would be our law of exponent. Una, base law. Pangalawa, multiplication law. Pangatlo, the division law. And lastly, the power property. So I hope guys na may natututunan tayo ngayon with regards to law of exponent. And see you soon again guys for more videos.